Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 26th of May 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now we have copper prices, they've slingshotted back up over 1% on the day on Thursday. We've also seen that cascading sell-off that we've been talking you through on the metals we expect on platinum, gold and silver, all breaking back down towards the lowest levels in over 1 month here. And we've also taken the opportunity with platinum to bank now over 800 points profit on the sell side. We've got the dollar index, which is now slingshotted back out towards 2-month highs. We've also scaled out on more profits on the dollar, and we've banked further profits this week on natural gas and oil. All in all, we've banked over 3,000 points profit now with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club in the last week. So of course, for every 1 lot contract you'll be trading, that's $30,000 of profit. Every 10 lot contract you'll be trading, that's over $300,000 of profit. And this all comes back down to the point that we've mentioned to you multiple times over the last month: sell in May and go away. We've seen multiple commodities over this month cascade to the downside. The trigger of that has been 2 news items: the FOMC statement at the start of the month, and also off the back of the CPI data. Both of these news events, traders were indeed expecting higher prices for commodities. We've seen that with hedge funds utilizing momentum-based strategies, expecting gold prices to go to the moon, expecting silver prices and platinum prices to break out back above their 6-month highs. Instead, we've seen absolutely the opposite. Those markets have been rugged, as we've been talking you through, to expect massive opportunities to sell short. It's not a buy and hold market. You want to trade each of the cycles. It's been very clear over the month of May what to do. We mentioned to you just very simply: sell in May, go away. You want to go long the dollar, sell short into the metals. This is going to give you a massive opportunity to benefit on the risk of volatility that you get over the month of May. All of that has played out. Feel free to go back to all of our videos from the end of April through to the start of May. We've talked you through all of these trade opportunities step by step. Everything from going long the dollar to shorting the metals to then going long natural gas, which broke out last week, 14% to the upside. We also took the opportunities on the FOMC statement to buy into oil at the swing lows. We've now banked a windfall amount of profit on those oil trades. Every single oil trade that we have is fully protected, and we've scaled out our profits, banking into strength. And now in this week, especially over the last couple of days here, we've taken the opportunity to now buy at the swing lows on copper, and copper's already broken out 1% to the upside on Thursday. In fact, out of all the metals, copper is the only metal that is up at the moment. As I mentioned to you, going into next week, we have the LBMA, which will be closed on Monday for the public holiday that we have in the UK. Typically, when the LBMA is closed, there's going to be no London fix in the morning or the afternoon for the metals. This is where often they do really well, especially copper, which can often break out to the upside when you have a public holiday in the UK. Again, that's something to have on the radar. So really the name of the game over this month has been to capitalize on all of these narratives over the month and all of the risk of events that have occurred. Now what you want to be looking out for as we go into next week is of course going to be the non-farm payroll event on Friday, and then of course the massively highly anticipated FOMC statement in the middle of June. These are going to provide you with highly lucrative macro-driven opportunities as we head into next month. And also, as we get towards the middle of next month, you have quad witching and the end of quarter profit taking, and very specific ways to capitalize on those end of month and end of quarter outflows as well. So again, if you're not making money in the markets right now, if you've not made money over the month of May, you absolutely should be. We telegraphed all of that to you, exactly how we're going to be managing our portfolio over the month. You can go back and watch step by step how we've capitalized on all of the events over the month of May. Again, this comes down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Definitely ditch those outdated technical analysis strategies and outdated technical indicators. It's 2023, the age of data. And if you're only going to be using technical analysis and those sort of strategies, you're going to be massively behind and you're going to have no edge at all in these markets. You want to be utilizing the real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity so that you understand the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly cycles. Of course, the capital flows in the market is very important. Further align that with the key areas of liquidity that are targeted so you can sniper in and also sniper out, banking at the tops of the ranges, then reloading at the lower ranges, and also selling short in between. This is going to give you benefit so that you're not just buying and holding, you can trade both ways of the market. Now, alongside that, further compound this as well with the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the geopolitics, the ratios and the intermarket correlations in the market, and then of course how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click on the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.